Hey guys, I got the paper, but someone kind of peed on it.
The material inflates underneath
Ew.
your arms, in between your legs.
But at least the news are here.
Basically an airfoil.
At least breakfast is good. At least we're all together.
Is any surface or structure that provides an aircraft lift by creating reduced air pressure above it and increased pressure below.
We designed the wingsuit.
Brian, can I see that paper for a sec?
Similar to a wing. Our body is the actual structure.
That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what? Brian, don't!
Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. Bird. Surfing.
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
And the cut of the leg wing.
Ow!
This suit is a shorter cut.